You know that feeling when you finish a PowerPoint and then it sits there, unopened, like a forgotten homework assignment? Yeah, we've all been there. Remote work and endless online presentations make it worse. We fill our slides with details to make them understandable. But let's face it, nobody enjoys reading a wall of text and charts. Slides are made to be presented. Without our voice, they're just words. And everyone scrolls past. The problem isn't the content, it's the lack of expression. Every presentation is meant to be spoken, not just shown. When that spoken part is missing, the message loses its life. The audience can't see your logic, hear your tone, or feel the emphasis. All your hard work just gets skimmed over and forgotten. That's why we built JoggAI's PPT to video feature, an AI tool that makes your slides literally speak for themselves. With an AI presenter, it's like your slides come alive. Just upload your PowerPoint or PDF. Choose a template and the narration language. And JoggAI will automatically analyze your slides, extract key points, generate a narration script, add AI voiceover, and present it with an AI avatar. Want it even more personal? You can create a custom avatar, basically an AI clone of yourself, and let it present your slides for you. The whole process takes just a few minutes. No filming, no recording, no editing, everything's done automatically. If you're a teacher or a trainer, this will save you hours. Just upload your class slides, and JoggAI turns them into narrated video lessons.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the basics of artificial intelligence,
so your students can easily review after class. Say you're teaching Introduction to AI. Upload your slides, and JoggAI automatically detects the sections, explains the key points, and even adds an AI presenter for you. You can choose from different styles: formal, friendly, or youthful. Or make it even cooler. Use your own custom avatar and let your AI version teach the class for you. If you're in sales or product marketing, you know the pain. Present the same product demo over and over again? Now you don't have to. Just upload your product deck or PDF, and JoggAI instantly generates a full demo video with voice and visuals. Your clients can watch it anytime, anywhere. You can even create multilingual versions for different markets in seconds. So you can spend less time repeating yourself and more time actually talking with your customers. Need to share quarterly reports, product updates, or company policies? Upload the document, and JoggAI turns it into a short narrated video that everyone can understand. No more endless meetings, and your team gets the key points fast. And if you're a content creator, this part's for you. Turn any PDF, report, or presentation into a video in just a few clicks. Perfect for YouTube explainers, LinkedIn posts, or knowledge-sharing videos. No need to write a script, record a voiceover, or spend hours editing. Just upload and let JoggAI do the rest. Unlike traditional video tools, JoggAI's core is content understanding. It doesn't just animate your slides, it understands the presentation logic, generates natural narration, and matches visuals with intelligent transitions. It can auto-segment slides, detect titles, and switch scenes automatically. So the final video is coherent and flows naturally. So whether you're a teacher, a salesperson, or a creator, JoggAI helps you turn static content into talking content. Make every PowerPoint and every document more vivid and expressive. Next time you finish a presentation, don't stop at the slides. Turn it into a video that speaks for itself. Make your message easier to understand, remember, and share. Try JoggAI and bring your content to life. I'm Amber. See you next time.